This video I will show you how to do the pricing. Okay, you log into the BuildSpace Pro that you already imported the BQ. Okay, and you go to the BuildSpace tendering. So you can see this project that just now I imported. Okay, you can double click it. Okay, so once you imported the BQ, you can just continue your pricing. You can, let's say you want to open the bill, you just double click. And then you want to, the first level, you can see the element levels. Okay, you can double click again. Okay, you can see the item here. You cannot amend anything, okay, but you can just key in the price here. Okay, you press enter, and then you can key in the price. Yeah, so you can easily key in your price here. Press enter, and then press enter to save. Yeah, remember to press enter to edit, and then press enter to save. Okay, yeah, so this is how to do the pricing, and then you can go up a level. Okay, you want to print the BQ, you can see the button here. Okay, print the BQ, or you can just close this one, reload. You can print the final BQ here. Okay, with price, and then can select which bill. Let's say this bill, you can just print out, and then the system will print to PDF. Okay, if you want to save for your record. Okay, so you can just print out. But if you own this BuildSpace Pro, you don't need to print out lah. Actually, you all the data inside the system also. Okay, so this is how the printing. And then you want to price, let's say for this type ABC here, you can just double click, so you can see the multiple type columns. Okay, let's say I go to reinforcement concrete frame, double click. Okay, so you can just price it. Okay, you can see that this got 3 items, but some is not applicable to certain type. Okay, so this one actually is for this type A only. Okay, so you can just go to price here. Let's say you just price, let's say 100,000 for type A, and then you can 120,000 for type B, 130,000 for type C. So this is how to do the pricing. Okay, so when you go up a level, you can see the cost for different type. Okay, so this do the pricing, and then you can close. When you reload, you can see the total cost here. Okay, and then optional item is normally is a rate only item lah, so you can double click it. Optional item for type A. Okay, let's say you just double click and then can put let's say the optional is like changing of the material and so on. Okay, so what is your price changes? Let's say if increase the price, you can just type the positive lor. Okay, if negative, let's say it can save some cost, you can just type negative lor. Okay, yeah, so you can just type your key in your rates here. Okay, the price here. Okay, so this is how to price the optional item here. Okay, you can close, but optional item will not appear here lah, the total. And then okay, material by developer. Okay, some material is provided by the developer. Okay, so you can go to the material by developer here. You can double click. Okay, adjustment price due to the material supplied by developer. Okay, so this developer price. Okay, and then you need to key in your quantity. Okay, let's say for overall quantity for cement. Okay, let's say 100 bags. Okay, 1,000 bags of cement. Your allocate of wastage, okay, let's say 3%. And then your contractor rates here, okay, your buying price, let's say is higher than developer. Okay, you can just key in here, and then the system will automatically generate, okay, the amount, okay, the difference. Okay, so you just price, let's say for Y10, okay, you need how many tons? Let's say 100 tons, wastage 5%. And then how much? Okay, let's say you buy is 2,300. Yeah, you just fill up. Okay, and then the system automatic will generate, okay, how much the difference if a material supplied by the developer. Okay, so yeah, this is how to price. And then if you want to print out the okay material supplied by the developer, okay, this one you have to print out from here. Okay, print bill, so the system will automatically print out the bill. Okay, so you need to print out this one also when for your submission as an attachment. Okay, material by developer. Okay, so this is how to print out the material by developer. Okay, and then from here the print final BQ, actually you can print all the final BQ. Okay, except the material by developer. Material by developer you have to double click to go into here to print the bill. Okay, so yeah, so this is how to do the pricing. Okay, you can see the pricing here.